Now listen carefully about present indefinite, the various form of present indefinite. I speak English, you speak English, we speak English, they speak English. I, you, we, they. It is, the subject is first person and second person singular number. He speaks English. She speaks English. He and she both are the third person singular number. The subject is third person. He speaks English. She speaks English. John speaks English. John speaks English. John and Akram speak English. Why? Because now here the subject is plural number. John and Akram, the two persons. So John and Akram speak English. Understood? Present indefinite tense. I speak English, you speak English, we speak English, they speak English, he speaks English, she speaks English, Ahmad speaks English, my father speaks English. Right? Next. How to change the present indefinite into interrogative and negative sentences. All the sentences I have spoken, that is affirmative. And now how to change these sentences into affirmative and negative. Interrogative sentences. While interrogative sentences, we have to use do or does. Do and does. Listen me again. I do not speak English, you do not speak English, we do not speak English, they do not speak English. I, we, you, they. Similar number, first person, second person. Now third person, while it is third person, then we have to use does in the beginning, we have to use does not just after the word. He does not speak English. She doesn't speak English. I do not speak English. You do not speak English. We do not speak English. He doesn't speak English. She does not speak English. Okay? Now I come to the next one, that is present continuous. Try to understand about it. It is very easy. In present continuous, listen first few sentences. I am speaking English, you are speaking English, we are speaking English, they are speaking English, and he is speaking English, she is speaking English. Right? I am speaking English, he is speaking English. With singular subject, is helping verb, is used. What are the helping verb using in this? The helping verb am, is, and are is used in this tense. Am with I am speaking. And with the singular, is helping verb is used. With the plural number, are is used. We are speaking English. Akram and John are speaking English. Now, how to change these sentences into interrogative and negative? Try to understand first negative. From affirmative sentences to negative. You are speaking English. speak or write. Are not, is not, am not. I am not speaking English. You are not speaking English. You are not speaking English. They are not speaking English. They are not speaking English. Are not is used just after subject. Now, how to make it subjective? It's very easy. Just write is, are, or am in the beginning of sentence and place question marks at the end of the sentence. It is necessary. Do not forget it. Question marks at the end of the sentence. He is speaking English. Is he speaking English? We are speaking English. Are we speaking English? You are speaking English. Are you speaking English? They are speaking. Are they speaking English? And at the end of sentence, must place interrogative question marks. Question marks necessary. Do not forget it. Then come to present perfect. Listen some sentences all about present perfect. I have spoken English. I have spoken English. You have spoken English. They have spoken English. He has spoken English. She has. He has. My mother has. My father has. My friend has. Or the singular number has. My father has spoken. One thing more. In this form of tense, the third form of the verb is used in perfect. Which one? Third form of verb. I have spoken English. I have. You have spoken English. We have spoken English. My mother has spoken English. He has spoken English. And John has spoken English. John and Akram has spoken. The child has. John and Akram have spoken. Sorry. John and Akram have spoken. Akram has spoken English. Ahmad has spoken English. My mother has spoken English. My father has spoken English. The child has spoken English. The child, it is singular number. The children have spoken. The girls, more than one girl, have spoken English. And it is very easy to change these sentences into negative. For negating, you have to use have not and has not, just of the subject. You have not spoken English. She has not spoken English. I have not eaten mango. They have not gone to school. Has not and have not is used in these sentences. You have not completed your work. She has not done her homework. I have not spoken English. You have not spoken English. He has not spoken English. She has not spoken English. It is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, always remember the third form of the verb is used. Not go, not when, gone. saw, seen. I have seen a beautiful picture. Break, broke, broken. Not break, not broke, but broken. The child has broken a glass. The child has broken a glass. The children have plucked flowers. Now come to next form, that is present perfect continuous. Present perfect. I have been speaking English. You have been speaking English. We have been speaking English. They have been speaking English. I, we, you have been. I, you, we had. I, we, you, we have been. He has been. He has been speaking English. She has been speaking English. Akram has been speaking English. And to make negative, he has not been speaking English. We have not been speaking English. Okay?